Oh, hey there, this is Destry Johnson with another episode of Destry TV. So, I was meeting with a client this week and they had just evicted this tenant and this house was super beat. So the question naturally came up is just how we're going to sell something that needs this much work. So look, assuming you don't want to put a bunch of money into fixing a house, this is how you're going to sell a fixer-upper. First, get a home inspection. Look, you know the house is in bad shape, but you just don't really know to what extent. And a diligent home inspector is going to locate those problems and give you the rundown of all those issues. Once you've identified what's wrong, then you can evaluate whether you can afford some or all the repairs, or if you just want to sell it as is. Remember, the law does require you to disclose everything you know about this house to a potential buyer, so you want to be as transparent as possible to avoid any issues down the road. Second, maybe just consider selling it to an investor. I mean, quite simply, the worse the condition of the home, the bigger the pool of buyers is going to be. And look, these buyers want to repair and upgrade so they can flip for a profit. They typically will pay you cash and they'll buy as is. So your other option is also a bargain hunter, a person who's looking for a deal that they can fix up on their own and maybe make it their dream home. And they're willing to put in the elbow grease needed to make the property livable, and they're going to overlook a lot. Third, you have to be realistic in your price. Look, regardless of market, pricing this home is going to be critical just because of its condition. You have to set a reasonable price with your agent, knowing that the buyer is going to want this steep discount for the condition, and depending on their ability, whether to either fund those repairs or fix them themselves. So look, if you want me to take a look at your property, give me a call at any time.